the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, and Indian Electrical and Electronics Manufacturers Association, EMA, present India's premier intelligent electricity show, Intellect 2015, with a concurrent up to 11 kV show, creating a unique platform for all stakeholders in the smart electricity business to get together and synergize their energy to advance business potential. The show was inaugurated by Union Cabinet Minister for Heavy Industries and Public Sector Enterprises, Shri Anant Gite.
IEEE and EMA are partners in whatever we are showcasing today, in whatever we are doing today, the exhibition, the seminar, the speakers, they are the world's best which IEEE has got for this conference today.
I'm especially pleased to come here because this conference is about IEEE's tagline, Advancing Technology for Humanity. The people in this room will literally invent the world that we live in. I'm especially pleased to see all the young people who have volunteered to come here to advance this technology. It is a partnership of IEEE, IEEMA, a partnership of researchers and people who build equipment and the people who make the policies. And we're here to educate and advance the world so it's a better place for everybody to live in.
This conference is a partnership that is more than just a conference. We talked about this conference now for a year or so, and it's been fun to put on, and I've made a lot of very good friends and some very close friends here in India. But the conference itself is just the start of something much bigger. The partnership between IEEE and IEMA is really going to take off. India is experiencing an enormous amount of growth in many areas, including the electrical demand. India's government has several initiatives underway, and including smart cities and other things that go together with it. But because of the opportunity that intelligent electricity brings and the technology that it brings together, it's more than just solving a demand problem. Traditionally, we solve demand problems by building more units, building more megawatts. That is not what we're here for today. What we're here for today is use smart and use electricity smartly.
बिना बिजली के विकास संभव नहीं है, तो इसीलिए जो उपभोक्ता है, जो ग्राहक है, उसके लिए अवेयरनेस लाना आवश्यक है और उस अवेयरनेस लाने का काम इस शो में निश्चित रूप में किया है। स्मार्ट सिटी की बात की है तो निश्चित रूप में हम दुनिया के साथ अब पूरे वर्ल्ड में कंपटीशन पर उतरे हैं, स्पर्धा में उतरे हैं, प्रतिस्पर्धा में उतरे हैं। तो ऐसे में जहां पर स्मार्ट सिटी की कल्पना प्रधानमंत्री जी ने घोषणा की है तो उसमें महत्वपूर्ण योगदान आपका होगा, ये मुझे पूरा विश्वास है।
आप ईमा के माध्यम से जिस प्रकार से आज इनॉर्गेशन हुआ और मैं स्टॉल टू स्टॉल जा रहा हूँ, एनर्जी मिनिस्टर हूँ महाराष्ट्र में, तो देख रहा हूँ कि जिस प्रकार से क्रांति आ सकती है देश में और महाराष्ट्र में, वो क्रांति का नया रूप देख रहा हूँ। और शो के माध्यम से अलग अलग इशू पे आपने जिस प्रकार से प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, निश्चित रूप से स्टेट का और नेशन का फ़ायदा होगा।
I am delighted to say that we've got some of the best companies within the country who are in this space, who have come and exhibited. What is even more heartening, that some of our partners from the small and medium sector industries have made a very honest attempt to come and showcase as to what their own versions of automation and intelligent electricity is. Even more heartening that some of these engineering students from some of the colleges whom we've given free space, free stalls. They have come up with ideas as to what they think could be the future of automation for some of our problems.
Some of the premier electrical and engineering companies participated in the event, giving it the business edge.
I'm very happy with the show. It's a first show, and the quality of the people that we have here, the quality of the exhibitors, the quality of the thoughts that we have in here has been extremely wonderful.
Displaying a wide variety of products that addressed all the aspects of smart electricity, the show attracted high-quality business visitors from across the country, including utilities, industry, trade and engineering students. There was a pan-India presence of the Indian polity, marked by the number of delegations that visited the show.
It's focused, and I think the number of visitors who are coming in are also focused on a specific area. So it should do well going forward.
Brisk business activities and intense discussions were seen in all the days of the show, securing the success of this premier event.
This is an excellent show. This really brings finally not only analysts, engineers, but also the real customers close to what actually is going to happen in this country.
I've come as an analyst. I've come to get more perspective on where we stand in India currently with smart cities and smart grids.
It's a good platform for all the manufacturers to showcase their product, and good for buyer like us to get acquainted with their products.
First impression is very well done. The booths are really well done, and some of the biggest players of the industry are actually here.
It's nice. It's less crowded than Electrama. We get more space and more time to focus on the items. That is why I liked it.
It's very relevant, timely. Standards are at a point where they are being created. I think industry, academia, policymakers, they need to sit, talk to each other, figure out what works best for India, and I think it's a great platform to do that.
The show also had a concurrent show, the Up to 11 kV. That was the first of its kind exhibition, showcasing the latest power distribution equipment and technology, products and services ranging from 110 volts to 11,000 volts. Intellect offered budding engineering students an opportunity to showcase their talent and engineering prowess in the Techie Talent Competition.
In future, we would like to see more research done with industry. So this is in that direction, really.
It's just going to get better. It's just going to. It's the birth of something new.
An international conference, Smart Electricity for Emerging Markets, was also held concurrently and featured highly reputed international and national speakers and was attended by over 250 delegates.
The show is wonderful, and I am impressed with the trends.
Smart cities will not get created in 1, 2 or 3 years. It will take decades, and we will perhaps evolve this exhibition over a period of time, depending on what the environment is demanding.